I am in Glassboro, New Jersey. Friday, December 6th, is it? I don't even know. Rowan Boulevard, the amazing Rowan Boulevard restaurants, bars, retail stores. Two things going on. Well, one, I've been trying to catch up this week with Spicy's Bar. It's a new bar, restaurant on Rowan. What they did is they took over Dawn to Dusk, acquired a liquor license, turned it into a bar. I wrote about them, but the bar just opened this week. I'm just getting here now, but I didn't realize until like earlier that today's also the Christmas tree lighting ceremony, and they got the streets shut down. Got some fun things going on. Let's see what we got going on here. Look at these people with the glow-in-the-dark antlers, the cool car.
First of all, Glassboro's marching band plays first in the 2 NJMBPA Division 8.
Yeah, I'm putting this on YouTube so you don't know. This is Rowan University in Glassboro. They built this amazing, significant Main Street development where above it is student housing and also just regular apartments. There's retail and restaurants on the first floor. There's a Barnes & Noble.
South Jersey choir.
Right here is La Scala Fire. La Scala's Fire, that's what it is. Sorry, Rob, the owner. That's La Scala's Fire right there. They're doing an expansion. I got to reach out with you, Rob. We got some food trucks here.
This is our choir. All South Jersey choir.
Chick-fil-A is here. Big Papa Jive's barbecue.
Thank you.
I'm loving these antlers.
Yeah!
I love your stuff.
Thank you, buddy.
Marshall County champ and TCC champion in track and field.
Hazardous hot sauce.
How's it going?
Very good, man.
Ty Black.
Try some?
Well done.
Yeah, sure. You're on camera, by the way. Not that it's online.
Both the South Jersey champions.
You want the hottest one?
Championship.
Yeah, let's do it. The hell with it. The heck with it. Where are you guys based out of?
Right here, Rowan University.
Oh, you guys are students, okay. And you made this yourself. Oh, this is the,
We grow all the peppers on the farm, like 5 minutes away.
There you go.
Hot stuff and the sauce ourselves.
wait, you're at, I'm sorry, say it again?
We grow all these peppers at the farm across from Inspira on campus at the president
Okay.
owns, and
Yeah.
then we
What's the
use the
like,
peppers
how
and we
hot are
make
we
all the
talking?
sauce ourselves down at the Rutgers
I do like the
Food
mild, like a
Innovation
middle.
Center
That's
down in
middle,
Bridgeton. We
right.
like make it, bottle it ourselves, and then when we sell it, all the proceeds go towards the Student Emergency Scholarship.
Student Emergency Scholarship Fund. Excellent. It took me a second. I recognized the name. That's excellent. All right. This is the hot stuff, huh?
It
all goes to scholarships.
You guys make a deal with the bars here so that I go run and buy a beer?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a chicken pizza.
Oh, that's flavorful.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Very good, actually. I may swing back around and buy some. Thank you, guys.
Congratulations, guys.
All right, so that cough is absolutely from that sauce. The heat of that sauce hitting me. It is a very flavorful hot sauce. I don't know if you guys heard that.
We got one more to go, gang.
It's a Rowan student project for that hot sauce. They're actually
And last, but certainly not least, our 2024 New Jersey State Group 1 football champion Bulldogs.
all right. Excellent. But they're actually growing the peppers on the campus, on the west campus,
Congratulations.
making the sauce and raising money for students.
42 freeway is the best.
Oh, your hands are full. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Here they are.
I tried some of the hot sauce over there. It's getting me.
Hushmans or something else?
Hushmans, yeah. Hey, you want the hot one? Yeah, let's do the hot one. No, I am not showing the Bulldogs enough respect here. I believe I heard they are the regional champions. There is more than enough nip in the air to remind you that it is the holiday season. I feel like I should have wore a wool hat, but at least there's no wind whipping. And then you walk around and see a college student in like a t-shirt and sweatpants. So there's the Barnes & Noble. And right across the street, this used to be the Dusk to Dawn restaurant. It is now Spicy's Bar, and it's a fun name. The name comes from the owner of Spicy's Bar. Him and his wife own Spicy's Affair down in Swedesboro, New Jersey, and the Spicy's name kind of stuck with Nick. They call him Spicy Nick because in their friends group there are multiple Nicks. The sauce is still getting me. So that's how the friends are able to determine which Nick they're talking about. So when he opened up his bar here, taking over Dawn to Dusk, making Spicy's Bar, he just called it Spicy's Bar. You went from Spicy's Affair to Spicy's Bar.
Okay, everyone, I've gotten word that Santa is making his way down High Street and around Rowan Boulevard, so if we want to start making our way towards the tree, do our countdown.
And there we found the tree. This is, I've been to Rowan Boulevard, this complex, a million times. It's a wonderful complex. Axe and Arrow Brewery up on the right here. I've never been here for the tree lighting ceremony. The tree is probably 32 feet tall. Like how I got very specific with that. That's a little selfie stand here. Now right here in the corner, let's take a walk in here. This is, I missed writing about you guys. This is a virtual reality esports. It's called Localhouse Esports and Video Game Center. Can I pop in?
Yes, you may.
I'm filming though. I write a little website in the area.
Oh, cool.
About new things, and I don't know why I didn't get to you guys when you opened. I got to come back.
Professional Rowan team doing some practice.
So what is this? I'm sorry.
This is the Rowan team in here. They're doing some practice.
Okay, and what are the type of games they play?
Like Rocket League, Valorant, League of Legends, Overwatch.
League of Legends. I know that's a big one.
Yeah.
Can I walk back? Thanks, pal. So again, right, if I went through that wall, I believe that is Axe and Arrow. Guys, look at this. This is right here in Glassboro. Oh, we're gonna miss the tree lighting ceremony. But I've said this before, I'm a nerd. So if you don't know what's going on here, look at all these high-powered gaming computers. Basically, this is like a super high-speed internet where they can have gaming competitions, probably amongst themselves, of course, but then also connected to the outer world. And I know the old timers like myself are looking at this saying, come on, really? But there's a legit they're sort of treating it like a sport. Like there's a legit competitive model here. I need to research more of this myself, but that's a really impressive facility they have back there. Thank you. All right, we're gonna walk down here. So there is a fountain here that looks like, in the summertime, of course, it looks like one of those sort of play fountains that the kids can run in and you catch the water as it shoots up. You're not allowed to do that, but it still looks beautiful. I'm losing my pen. All right, I got a much better angle of the tree from over here. I'm gonna work my way closer. Got a couple of vendors set up. Sinful smells. How you doing, guys?
Hello.
Joe Brown.
Oh!
Mark 42 Freeway. How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Look at you guys everywhere.
I was watching you this morning eating that cheesesteak at the Philadelphia.
I'm going down to Spicy's Bar next.
Are you?
Yeah. What do you got going on, man? You got a new business, right?
Yeah, it's going to be about a week away. We're going to be in here next week, finishing up the inside. It's an auction house.
Auction house. I'm coming over next week.
Okay, we'll be there.
How are you, hon?
Hi, how are
wife.
you?
We met before?
Yeah.
I couldn't think of your name. I apologize.
Wendy Sue.
Wendy Sue?
Yeah, come by. We'll be
I
there.
definitely will. I'll see you.
Okay.
Thanks, buddy.
I'll see you later.
That is Joe Brown and his wife Wendy. They opened up one of those bargain bin stores in Glassboro behind the Italian Affair. And it's one of those places where, I forget the days. Let's say the first day, it's filled up with all new merchandise each week. The first day it may be like $7, and the next day it's $5, and it's $3. And the challenge, it's a fun challenge because like you see something there that you like, and you think, well, it's $7 today or $5. I apologize, Joe. I forget what. Maybe I'll overlay it. I forget the pricing, but you're like, oh, maybe I'll come back tomorrow. It'll be cheaper. But then if you come back tomorrow, it may not be there. And then the flip side is you come the last day and you probably get some good deals. So. Now I think what we're waiting for is, and I see the engine, Santa has to do the honors. Now check this out, for those staying at Rowan. Look at this, it's 4 stories here. There's 3 rows of housing. Some of these units, like right there, you can see people with their Christmas lights. They have a balcony and they're looking out over this awesome plaza, which they do a lot of events here. Beer festival, craft shows. This is the famous Angelo's Diner, which that is, I have to come back and do a video, a breakfast video of Angelo's Diner. That place is iconic. You get these really awesome, large Christmas decorations, like the giant Santa hat. I'm finally breathing and speaking fine after that hot pepper sauce, the Hussard's pepper sauce. Should I do a Will Ferrell elf? Santa! Ladder 16, Glassboro Fire Department. Now check this out. Is this wood or is this gas? We're gonna get close. Look at that roaring fire in there. That is awesome. I mean, yeah, I've seen fires at places, but that thing is going. What a genius idea to have the LED reindeer antlers. Here he goes. Let's not miss the moment. He's going high. Look at this. Santa's going all out. I think that means the holiday season's officially here. First of all, we got Santa there. Look at this incredible tree. Rainbow of colors. Merry Christmas!